Gandang hapon mga kabugnay. Ito yung order natin for today, January 31, 2025. Today is Friday. So ito yung order sa atin ni Ma'am Amigracia Morones ng Marikina City. Siya ay suki natin, ano? So ang order niya today ay etong Adams Guyabano Premium Wine, and itong Adams Turmeric Premium Wine, and of course itong Adams Dragon Fruit Premium Wine. At syempre hindi nawawala yung paborito ni Madam, itong Bugnay Adams Regular Bugnay Premium Wine, and of course itong Don Carlos Piolo Special Bugnay Wine. So ito yung order niya ngayong hapon. So if ever gusto nyo po nito, just comment down below and papadala natin yan through Grab and Lalamove.